Yoga Sutra 4.19. Natat swabhasam drishyatvat. Nor is the mind self-illuminating because of its nature as the object of perception. So mind cannot see itself. Mind is not self-illuminating because that's the object of perception. And what is perceiving, which is perceiving, is the self. It's the spirit soul, the Purusha, or Atman. So self is observing the mind, and mind becomes aware of the environment. So mind is also external environment for the self, and mind is not alive in itself. Mind is illuminated by the soul. Same way that soul is illuminated by this Ishvara, the Supreme. So this is how it works. And yoga is like a reversed evolution. Now our consciousness is flowing through the self, to the mind, to the world. And then we forget the self because we get so much focused on this external environment, Indriya Pratyaya, the sense, world of the senses. But now we try to reverse it. We move back. Yoga is to move back from the senses to the pratyahara, moving back to the mind, and through the mind, moving back towards the self. And it doesn't end there. Then there's also highest samadhi, which is when one surrenders to Supreme from the self. One should try to focus on the source of the self, which is the Supreme. So that's how yoga works. So first we try to control the mind. When the mind is still, mind can reflect the light of the soul. And then by disconnecting from the mind, one can become aware, like a self-realized. Self is seeing itself by disconnecting the identification with the material mind. And then through that self can know the source of the self. We cannot really know the Supreme if we don't know ourselves, because who is knowing then? Yoga Sutras Ki Jai.